Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Sprout Social, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Sprout Social website. Locate the Start Your Free Trial button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria. Review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification link. Open the email from Sprout Social. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the Sprout Social website. Log in using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, fill out your business information. Provide details like your company name, website, and industry. Select the appropriate subscription plan that suits your needs. Enter your payment information to complete the registration. Review all entered details to ensure accuracy. Click on the Start My Trial or Complete Registration button. You will be taken to your Sprout Social dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available. Familiarize yourself with the layout and tools. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to use Sprout Social. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.